Hello and welcome to these video tutorials on how to program with Java for beginners. Today I'm going to show you simply how to use and how to start your own application, and we're going to start today with a small and simple example how to write a small application which prints out "Hello world, I'm Java." So first of all, I'm using NetBeans IDE 8.1 in case you're asking, and you're gonna open a new project by simply clicking here, select Java and Java application, and then click next. Then you're just gonna name your project like first application hello world and click finish. Now the Java IDE NetBeans is creating your new. So what do we have here? Okay, so first of all, we have public class first application hello world. The first application hello world is the project name you just entered. The class in Java, everything and every object and every kind of, I don't know what you want to name it, is a class. So inside this class, you have the main method. The main method is everything your application is going to execute. So these curly brackets, you have here one and here one. So the first curly bracket states that, okay, I'm inside a class. The main method is inside the class. So everything inside these curly brackets is considered inside the class here. And everything inside the main method is also stated and entered into these curly brackets. So, to get started, to print out an application or a statement or a string or any kind of object in Java, you need to use the system without the print line method. So what does system without the print line stands for? System without the print line. It just simply stands for that we're gonna print out the line we just entered here. So hello, let's write just our code. Hello world, I am Java. The semicolon here is just a definition that it's like the ending statement of every line. And in programming, and specifically in Java, it's very important to use a semicolon. Like sometimes you just spend hours and days and sometimes months to find a bug in a line of code that is like 3, 4, 5, 600 lines long, and just realize at the end that you just forgot a semicolon, which is very, very embarrassing. Then you have the comment. A comment is like a documentation of the code you are just coding. Like we're just gonna put in here. Here is the print out statement of hello world, I'm Java. Of course, you can state it in another way too, which is backslash star star backslash. This means that you can just comment a whole paragraph. Like when you have something big to say, when you have a bigger message or a bigger comment or something like that, you can just enter it all inside of this Java comment line. Okay. Now we just want to output this line. For outputting this line, you go into this green play button. This green play button runs the project and debugs it. By clicking it, The Java IDE is running a project and tries to output it. And here we are. Here we have our hello world in Java. It's built successfully and took about 1 second. I guess it's because of my poor RAM, which isn't so good. So you just did it. You just printed out your first Java statement and built your first application. In the next tutorial sessions, we're gonna look at variable types, primitive data types, and much more. Thank you for watching.